Starting in the great name of Allah, the granter of greatness, destroyer of delights. Unit 2.1 I Have a Dream, Martin Luther King Jr. is in progress. Before starting the lecture, let me answer the question I asked yesterday. The question was, what does he could lead if he would get the lead out mean? The answer, lead is easy, lead, led. If he would get the lead out is a common expression basically meaning hurry up. I hope the question answered. Dear students, in my last lecture, I told you he invites his followers not to remain in the valley of despondency because he envisions freedom, liberty of life, and pursuit of happiness. Today, let me start the new paragraph. I have a dream that one day even the state of Mississippi, a desert state, sweltering with the heat of injustice and oppression, desert, the tourist deserts his desert and the desert. The tourist deserts mean leaves, his desert mean sweet dish, and the desert means a barren land. Sweltering mean oppressively hot with the heat of injustice and oppression. Oppression means cruelty. Oppressor means the person who oppresses, and the opposite of oppressor is oppressed. Will be transformed into an oasis. Oasis mean a jungle, a green land of freedom and justice. I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day the state of Alabama, whose governor's lips are presently draped with the words of interposition and nullification, will be transformed into a situation where little black boys and black girls will be able to join hands with little white boys and white girls and walk together as sisters and brothers. Draping with means to have a lot of a particular quality. For example, the trees were dripping with fruit. Interposition means intervention or to come in between two parties to resolve a conflict. Nullification means abolishment. Interposition refers to the right of the states to protect their interests from federal violation. Nullification is a declaration by a state that a federal law is unconstitutional, accompanied by a declaration that the law is without and may not be enforced in the state. It means the states had the power to make the laws null and void. Look at students, I have a dream. These are rhetorical devices Dr. King intensively uses repetitions, metaphors, and allusions. I have a dream that one day every valley shall be exalted. Exalted means praised, acclaimed. ACCLAIMED. Every hill and mountain. What's the difference between hill and mountain? Mountain, a land mass that projects well above its surroundings, higher than a hill. Shall be made low, the rough places will be made plain, and the crooked places will be made straight. Crooked, there is a proverb, as crooked as a dog's hind leg. HIND. What does this proverb mean? It means dishonest. For example, some of our politicians are as crooked as a dog's hind leg. Here in this paragraph, he again uses metaphors, mean that the rich and poor will be dealt alike. This is our hope. This is the faith with which I return to the south. With this faith, we will be able to hew out. Hew out mean to dig out of the mountain of despair a stone of hope. We will find a stone of hope. With this faith, we will be able to transform the jingling discords. Jingling means disturbing. Discords means harsh sounds, cacophonous sound, of our nation into a beautiful symphony. Symphony means soft sound of brotherhood. With this faith, we will be able to walk together, to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail together, to stand up for freedom together, knowing that we will be free one day. This will be the day when all of God's children will be able to sing with new meaning. General students, I told you, Martin Luther King Jr. mentions 4 documents. 1. The Declaration of Independence. 2. The Emancipation Proclamation. 3. The Bible. 4. The song America, my country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty. Of thee I sing, land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride. From every mountain side, let freedom ring. And if America is to be a great nation, this must become true. So let freedom ring. Let freedom ring means a call for continued action as well as an optimistic ringing of a bell, suggesting that we had reached a place where goals were in reach and his dream could actually come true. Prodigious means enormous, vast in size, hilltops of New Hampshire. Let freedom ring. Again, this is repetition. From the mighty mountains of New York, let freedom ring. From the heightening Alleghenies of Pennsylvania, let freedom ring. From the snow-capped Rockies of Colorado, let freedom ring. From the curvaceous peaks of California. Curvaceous means having shapely curves or a well-rounded body. But not only that, let freedom ring from Stone Mountain of Georgia. Let freedom ring from Lookout Mountains of Tennessee. Let freedom ring from every hell and molehill of Mississippi. Molehill, there is an idiom. Make a mountain out of a molehill means to make an unimportant matter seem important. Lookout means watchtower, for example, or lookout means observation post. For example, he saw the smoke from the lookout. Molehill means a small mound of earth thrown up by burrowing mole. When we will, when we let freedom ring, when we let freedom, when we let it ring from every village and every hamlet. Hamlet mean a small village or a group of houses. From every state and every city, we will be able to speed up. Speed up means to move or work more quickly. That day, when all of God's children, black men and women and white men, Jews and Gentiles, Gentiles means non, a person who is not a Jew means a Christian. Protestants and Catholics, these are the two sects of Christianity, just like we have Sunnis and Shias, will be able to join hands and sing in the words of the old Negro spiritual, free at last, free at last. Thank God Almighty, we are free at last. Dear students, I have already told you the original name of the speech was Free at Last. This is also the final words of the speech. This is all for today, and I will be back soon with the new lesson, inshallah. Thank you. Have a blessed day.